Here we're looking at our stock in focus. It's Facebook, and we're seeing this really take a pretty good move as it's breaking back over the 50-day moving average after a gap down. We saw some sideways action here, and we see this break over the 76 level. And what's really important here is you see this initial highs here. You see that gap down. Okay, now you see this running sideways. It's trying to fill that gap, but we've seen some divergence on this. But on the short term, it looks like it wants to be taken and might go back up to this 81 level. Traders just need to be a little careful any break of this range. But you could see what happened here. You see the trend line right off of the main range. You could see why it's hitting this and held that range. So you can really see it almost like in a regression channel here. So when it comes into this midpoint, you could see why you're going to need to see that commitment there before you could see that 81 target, or actually maybe 83 if it continues that kind of angle here. But we were losing a little bit of that momentum as it shifts there. So traders should be careful in this kind of move, because it did gap down and now it's trying to close that gap. It just has to have some strength there. It looks like they want to come closer here to it. Want to take it to the range again. But just be keep in mind that any break of the 72 level, I think this will start to break.